Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely, very rare, it's the Volvo Petrol T2. Lovely condition, as you can see. It's the facelift model with better lights. It's got the R design alloy wheels on, diamond cut, original lovely. The R design body styling kit, privacy glass to the rear, bigger lower rear diffuser the R design has, the parking sensors. As you can see, it's in really lovely condition, tremendous. No marks really that I need to point out to you. Oh, not opened the boot yet, hang on, let's do that. Boot area is lovely, got the carpet mats, parcel shelf. And this has the full leather interior with the white stitch piping. You can tell where it's been looked after. It's even got plastic mats there, so you've got your plastic mats on your over mats. Someone's really looked after a car. Electric windows, power folding mirrors. Considering the age and mileage, it looks like half of that. It's just done 105.66 miles. Just start the car up, sounds lovely. Auto headlights, cruise control, 6-speed gearbox, parcel shelf, got an aux in there as well. Aircon's blowing lovely and cold. Got the biggest screen for the nav. Navigation, media, Bluetooth connectivity. So air conditioning's lovely and cold. Radio. There's no wear on it. It's absolutely lovely condition. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.